Hello guys! So on our previous video, namasyal tayo ng strawberry farm. And right after strawberry farm, nagpunta tayo ng Igorot Stone Kingdom. So on the same day, after that, for this video, mamamasyal naman tayo on the same day sa Diplomat Hotel, which known also as a ghost hotel. Let's see what we will find out when we go there. Okay? And right after that, in the night, we will also going to Christmas Village, guys. So samahan niyo ako guys to explore the new adventure here in Baguio City.
Oh, wala naman. Doon yung ano, yung gitna. Pag nasa gitna ka, may nararamdaman ka daw yun, yung gitna yun. Pinapakita yun eh, sa mga palapalagas. Yun yung gitna niya. Eh, wala. Dika dito, tingnan natin yung gitna. Oh, malinaw naman dito. May upang pangay. May suklay pa. Ayun oh. Yung gitna daw na yun, yun.
Dito guys, nasa central na kami ng Baguio. This time, kagagaling lang namin ng Diplomat Hotel. So, bumili kami ng mga kakailanganan namin sa accommodation. But that time, papunta na kami ng accommodation right after ng Diplomat Hotel. Kasi from the time na nag-travel kami a day before, nagpunta kami straight ng Strawberry Farm, tapos Igorot Kingdom, tapos Diplomat Hotel. Wala pa kaming pahinga niyan. So, sa kinagabihan, pupunta ulit kami ng Christmas Village. So, we have to take rest, guys. So, after nyan, magpapahinga kami. And then, sa gabi, larga ulit. Hello, guys. Good evening. We still in Baguio City. And we are going now to Christmas Village. Christmas Village.
Sa dress code ng Baguio Public Club.
This is what they call Christmas Village. Oh, lots of bubbles. Ay, sundan mo yung dalawa. Guys, we are done with one adventure today at the Christmas Village. Lots of lights and bubbles and kids. So, we are moving now to our next stop. That will be the night market or ukay-ukay, I believe. Then after we will take our lunch. So, bawal dumaan or mag-pick up yung sasakyan doon. Puro drop-off lang. So, naglalakad kami pabalik. Pabalik at patirik. Ayan ang daan. Ang tirik-tirik niya po. Welcome to Baguio. We are in Baguio. Yeah, it's me again. Hello, guys. Oh, ang laki ng bus. Ang laki ng jeep. Super laki ng jeep. Ayun, pwede naman pala dito eh. So, ayun guys, after namin manggaling sa Christmas Village, nagpunta na kami ng night market. Doon na rin kami nag-dinner. Then, nag-commute na kami pa uwi ng accommodation. Then, dyan natapos yung aming araw. But before that, nagpunta pa pala kami sa isang heritage area. Yun is nakaseparate sa isang vlog kasi masyado rin kaming maraming pinuntahan doon. And in this video, in-include ko na rin yung mga ibang pictures na kasama namin sa adventure namin in this Diplomat Hotel and Christmas Village. I hope you like it, guys.